Hey, Todd here. So I'm headed into the studio this morning. Got another product to review. Company Comica sent me these headsets that I'm hoping will solve a problem I've had while I'm shooting on location using walkie-talkies, and you have to press the button and everything. So I'm hoping this product they sent me to review will be an answer to the problem. They're not paying me for this review, but I'm really hoping that this product is going to solve a lot of problems, and I totally could have used it the other day when I was out shooting on location. So let's get into the studio and check them out. So here we go. It's the Comica Seekcom S1. These are, and they are wireless headphones and mics that you can talk to people or direct talent, or have your assistant direct talent without having to push any buttons. And these are the headphones right here, which I've been using for years. These Kenwood walkie-talkies. I think I have 5 of these guys, which work really good, and they go a long distance and all that kind of stuff. But I've always been like, when I'm on the camera, I'm pushing the button, then I gotta go, okay, let the talent go, and then you've got your hand, and you can't do anything. With these, you could just, hopefully they work really good. I'm gonna test them out and put these guys on, and you raise this up and down to talk and then not talk. So I'm super excited to try these out. That last shoot I was just on, I was directing talent. They were a block away, and I'm telling them to go, and I'm using this to my assistant, and then making sure the camera's rolling, everything's all going. And I'm shooting video on this one, but most of the time, not most of the time, but yeah, most of the time I'm shooting stills. So I've got to be ready to fire here, and the movement, and oh yeah, they need to turn this way, or have them go back. I'm talking on the thing, and it's just I need both hands free. And I'm really hoping that this will solve that problem. And we review these things, and they're excellent. That's what I'm really hoping for. So yeah, the Comica Seekcom S1. Yeah, I got the box over there. The Comica Seekcom S1. So we're gonna, and they got a cool box too. I mean, in case that it comes in. Super excited about that. So let's get to testing these things. I need to find somebody to come by the studio. I have to call one of my assistants, and we can go out and test this thing and see how it works. So outside, getting ready to do a little test with the headsets here. You've got the host and the guest, and they come connected to each other already right out of the case, which is great. And we're going to do a little car test. My wife's going to drive a car down the block here, and we're going to see how that works, so I can tell her when to go, when not to go, see if it all sounds good and works. Typically, I would have my Kenwood walkie-talkie clipped to my belt, and then I've got an earpiece that I would put in. But then you've got to have this little, on the actual cable here is a little button you have to push to talk, which is a kind of a bummer. So I'm hoping with these new headsets, which I would be the host here, I'd put this guy on, and you just have slip the mic down, you're ready to talk, and then you put it up, deactivated, and it tells you that right in the headset here, microphone activated, and then deactivated, just like that. So it should be pretty easy, wireless to go. And then I've just got the camera set up here. We're going to do a little, got the 50C with my 200 millimeter on there, see down the road and see what we get. So that's the test. Okay, so we've got the car down around the corner. Can you still hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So once you make the circle, just tell me when you're pulling back out into the street.
Okay. Did you run down the street?
Whoop, did I lose you? Oh man, you went too far away. Okay. I've lost you. Okay, whenever you're ready to roll.
Okay. Oh, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
It disconnected for a minute.
Yeah,
okay,
it did.
I'm coming.
Okay, perfect.
About to hit the bump.
Okay, perfect. Gotcha. And now just turn around and make the circle and come back and park. Whenever you're ready. I lost you for a second. Yeah, we're disconnected. Okay.
Connected, disconnected,
Disconnected, okay. Okay, I got you. There you are.
Pull into the driveway?
Yep, pull right on in. So that was a pretty good test. It went, like 2 blocks or probably a block and a half, really, that once she was in the car. And that's with houses in the way and other stuff, so it wasn't direct line of sight. So that was pretty good. But I think if you were tracking, car tracking, car to car type of thing where you're not that far and you got a pretty good line of sight, I think it'd work pretty good. But overall, a good test, and that's kind of where I would use this thing. Or if I had an athlete or somebody behind a corner and I could tell my assistant, tell them to go now, that kind of thing, or wait, or whatever. So good test. It's a pretty successful test out there on the road with the car and everything. It was, it did cut out, but it cut back in. I mean, it reconnected right away once it got back into range. And I did, after reading the manual bit, which I don't really do a lot of, there is a way to, on this little button over here, the power button, it also works as kind of the mode button as well. The way to increase the distance with that, you just change it in the mode button, you press that a couple times. And when it's powered on, you've got a little screen right here that shows you what mode you're in and your volume level, which your volumes are right there. A little mute button there, and over on the other side you've got the host and guest button right there, and a 3.5 headphone jack there, where you can put in another set of headphones to come off of there to listen, or you can, using their app, there's another mode that you can plug this into the camera to monitor the sound of whatever you're micing people, or into another external recorder to just monitor sound with that as well. I haven't tried that because I haven't downloaded the app or got another cord to do that. But there are, some other different modes which are in here. It looks like from their thing you can connect 5 of these things. That's what they show there, which you may be able to connect more. I'm not sure on that. But the being able to work hands-free is great. I mean, I'm so used to working with these walkies and the earpiece and having to push the button here or on the other thing and talk, and then you're trying to work the camera. Just being hands-free is fantastic. I'm really, really digging these things a lot, and I can't wait to use them on another production. I think I'm going to buy another couple just to have, so I've got a set of 4 I think would be good for me. Whether I can get one to the assistant and to the stylist. 3 or 4 of these I think would be really helpful for me to have. So yeah, I'm impressed. The build quality seems really nice, and being able to hear in the headset when your mic is on versus off is great. The batteries, it just takes a couple little batteries that go in right here, super easy, and it comes with a little charger. You can charge both batteries at the same time, and a cord, and some stickers, 3 different colors and numbers. It goes up to 8, so maybe you can have 8 of these things connected, I guess. And it's got, you know, a nice bag. I love a nice bag. Always, it comes with a cool bag and zipper. And these other pouches that you put each mic in or headset in when you're ready to go. I don't know how much I'll use these things. It's kind of an extra step. But I'm sure it'll keep them nice, so maybe I'll use those. Probably I won't. But it's nice to have just in case. Yeah, quality I think is really nice with these things. It sounded good. Yeah, I'm really sold. I'm really sold on this Bean headset. And again, I can't wait to get them use them in a job where I need to speak to people and have my hands free. Again, having my hands free is awesome. So, yeah, like always, I appreciate you watching. Oh, and I will put, I don't know the price of these things. I never even went to the website to check that out, or Amazon. I'll put that in the description below with a link to where you can get these. Highly recommend them. I'm super excited to use these things. And like always, I appreciate you liking, subscribing, asking questions, all of that. I'll answer them if I know, or I'll try and figure it out for you. And as always, thanks for watching. And till next time, I'm out.